anyu we mom what? We be say na nipa so your me. Yeah, Christiana wo Denmark. AKA Sister Ayoko. Hey, no we special. No me say special. It's your birthday today. Happy birthday to you. Nyami sure what? Non koso amiebie kwan kese ma. Na bibi anko yi ma. Ewo Yesu di. And then a happy birthday also going out to you. Mrs. Kabute, aka Grace Dinu. I hope so, Dines. Grace Dinu. You are celebrating your birthday today. We are Juma World Vision. Nyami Shao, our colleague, Michael Osafo Champion. Also, we show happy birthday to you, Champagne. Sanso and your birthday. Emmanuel AEC was St. Paul's Methodist School. Yeah, what a man. Nyame onsha no mbie wa dwum na nyi na be panimpa. Omo pomdim papa. Ede dan kwan. We fiu mame Vida Amoa. Vidash Clothing. Tema Community 5 den chain. Also we show happy birthday pa. Okay, my name is special guest never be Shasia Bon. Come on. Yes, yeah. Enyom na hakra na ekumi no. Ba bia next team. Na dia be kra na radi zimi ye. Isi yesu be mo. Ya woni na be na. Eradi kam yo. Hey. Adi so ba shana be wan se. Hey. Eradi ka ba woni na. Hey. Yesu be mo. Ya woni na be ye. Hey. Jesus be mo. Ya woni na be nyanko. Eradi kam yo. Me what the mo be a what ye me any. Say the Radia Cano on what be ye. Enti the uncle for keka one change and dibu abamuno. Forget about them. Because yes, un can be. A young no can. But the only Radia Casa Cano dear and you obey ye. Wouldn't say it. And yet the best said no so. Just a radi bosh and a bamu and sign. Na bam wani pen na de omani behu no om de omano bedi hu adanse wo Yesu di mu. I just don't know why, but I'm just so excited about this message. Yeah, and you me carry on. Seriously. All right. So the medical dia to any me was special guest on the show today. Nah, one wonderful lady. In fact, she got something new for all of us. For the first time, you will listen to this new joint from her. Near Dihun Komoka Crania, you know. Yeah, shut yourself for this level, you know. Yeah, Conaway, not the top from the woman. What I say, with the man, just. also. But I'm running no so, sir. What I said? You wouldn't talk, sir, near Queen, sir. Jeffrey and TC decide the house near the house hotel.
KB Empire.
And you wear me, I sure saw you were pan, the video no crown the criminal. See, what they are monsters. Usimada Patrice, Monkey cat, their more palm on mouth. They are more cannon na home, Krunkruno go. Tyron also another who said it here. Mammy, I dread free. Okay, so we are live on Facebook. Na comment when you fear Facebook or no. Say why Ochi was say bravo. I feel so Mama Gan MFA was say one of my favorite tracks. And Oba Selena or say Amen. Prince Kofi Sebastian or say God bless you Jerry. And today is also my birthday. And then happy birthday to you Prince Kofi Sebastian. I feel Oscar Kwesi Bochi or say excellent. Ben Nyame on the say hello and he also hello. Every time is okay hello na Cosmos Charles Ochin so at the better also hello. And your money come on. Benjamin once again says I love the song. Prince says I'm watching you live at Kaswa. I love her music so much. Well done, sister. Bernardo Perez was a nice tune. Yeah, trust. So you can also join us live on Facebook, and we also live on YouTube. And we are Adom FM live, yes, on YouTube, but on Facebook it's Adom 106.3 FM. Okay, anyway, there. Many Rose J na better sign you because that's a sign way. Hey, yeah. TB, no. Badam. Babam. Hey, stand dam, badadam. Hey, badam. Hey, this bunny. Oh, bam, badadam. Let's go. listen to the message. That's right. You are blessed.
Amen.
You are blessed. Powerful. Anyway, akwaba. Bibi aboko there.
Na me adom no mpa ebonti.
Ye shia Ofie Kwanso ache o.
Papa.
Shia Ofie Kwanso ache pa. Say bibi aboko there.
Na me adom.
Yede nyame ase. Na enwum no say na ya yi ne ba because omu amehu na say na wuri bia be fam owu na bia be fam ni ade ma tese new one bia ba ye be ko no so na ya kan ho asem na ya mamanfo hu say de eno esi ekofa ni ade but yenhwe because the very first time I born come on now that was when we were trying to get to know Rosa J. Na boy story kakra those days Liberia story na bam kura na chese say bibia hey chale ene mami wabre when na baby anyame de na fa na be reremu ana baby ade abedui but yenhwe ba Ghana I don't want share no to mu ni ade no Jenny no say na aye so far for you.
Nyame adom me ba industry ni mu no it has not been easy. Once sometimes me can say when you are outside na ade bi wo ho fa wo mu be remu a who say na ade niti but me bo remu by the grace of God on say nyankopon frɛ me say this is the job I Rose me pesa we no me so me je to mu say rade ma pene so meye but na me nim say there were a lot of ups and downs na me bo remu no papa
challenges
no the disappointments and all those things.
Goodness.
But at the end of the day nyame ahye ne ho animonyam wasa mama dance dey that is one of the reasons why in there area me wa
but has there been some time there one kasa like you said and we know challenges that was our industry enough from us but was there that time while baby was like you wanted to give in say oh Charlie we there or you wanted to give up
so many times because I thought that kwan po baby amawa we nya huhumo na nipa da sani esi sa kwan no sometimes we say that's right now we said them we so now bisa wo say
oh my goodness
now won kwa we pesa we bibi now we push nyame adwuma it's not about you it's about God not to say enya huhum bi but the baby be esi akwan say na be adwuma na nyame de ahya wo nsem
say the okani dia wo de enya huhum na physical say they na say I'm so sorry
it's in America say me want dance yes because
they dance atiefo offend ka adwumadi so ne awrade aye no e ya dance na e die etimpacho di wa dance no e dey na manfo bi di sususu akwamu anka nyame ampata
from the beginning no minim say oh sebi wo ye nwum na e kama obi atie nwum nwum ye fan yo ye mbo o ne ye mpushi
sure
but there came a time in my life say na wo kan ye no edu baby na ma give it up because I thought to say ade na me ye no anhwe enye because it will come to a time nyame aya adom abie kwan. I quite remember there was a time nyame ye madum e ma me hia obi asebi nipa no betumi aboa me wo kwan bi so asebi o ade ye fa ne bre e wo nwum tumu no I don't think so nka me bre sa but nipa da sani ejina sa kwan ni mu esi sa ade no kwan that day me sun ye because na nipa no so ye nwum to ni ti se me esi sa ade oh, I know the actually. Dance but what you say. But at the end of the day, no, I thank God so much. Say after all the blockade,
no, me can shut down family, but be an answer say we to need so. Ono so ko nya gidie wo sa onum to ni kunya mu ama ahwe odi bia no
tina maybe answer no wan fanya no say sunu ye nyina sunu say na obi ate maybe ono no de on fanya no I always say maybe obi koye wo devil or you obi
but nipa kuno so a gospel artist
oyanyum tuni
wow
oyanyum tuni pa
oba na be ma
oh oyanyum tuni
yes no
but at the end of the day I thank God so much
and then no the same record label mu ana
Pacho Debi I thank God so much say me ba industry no mu 5 years ni mencheye but I thank God say maybe me nyadin to say maybe
so what was the exact opportunity about Wakwemu sa onipa queen that we don't know mention the name or bebo to go ye ma physically ultimately we dey nya hu ade
nipa no e be hia me be pem asem na nipa ni so eyi kra na nya me kra me husband nipa ni hia me husband no so like omo didi nkomo didi mu ana like obo ne yiri di no so ni yiri kwa enwum tuni o no se sa na nyombe no boy that time Susan me see di no so hia me husband ka mo no boy che nipa say hey nyame ye penyum we too much we wife no and if ne bre me na me nhwe se metumi aye bibia abo na because your wife is gifted nyame ya adom me call ye me ni husband you ko shia papa ye ni papa kasa bibia che se bibia be ko only for that person to come in obey one and then say but once I dear back be a media me asinti make us say me wa dance die sometimes as Christians we complain so much about the things that we are going through but nyoma bia ye feel say any important no those things na ya na nyame ye maye na ese ma nipa hu say nyame wa ye bi nti wotie me nyoma me say nyame ye na nadoye wo hoda sebi na mo Liberia ntoko sisi ye sebi nanya bribi papa bi ameni mi ya me ye manyame ananya me hu na na ye fese obi ananya
you and your family were safe
nyame ehwe ye so boy hu ban for a day like this nti ye said bia metena ho amedi asida emanyame esan say nyame aye bi e could be say maybe me need din to say anyumtofo bebre but I can thank God and say it not with pride but with humility say nyame adum be bia nyame ema me gina no maybe obi ho wagidin but onya sa position engina ho enti se nyame atumi aye sa ade we nyina esese me mankofo nyina ho se nyame aye bi enti eno ni madansi di
wow I'm touched by sa dance di now I know say there are lots and lots of people out there who me are related to this testimony here or the because sometimes they do a bia na o dream hu dia but ni na kwa akosi so nyame asem o kan say my fa hu ntini pass because nipa nye nipa be du nyamo pa di say in need me dey hu to nyame so but Rose now we are the see na see wie ni ade na no I do believe say nyame abie kwam ma bibia ekoyi
nyame adon once ameda so ti nkwam nkwa dia nyame ama me hu say obehwe me so obebo me by
and so with that no you can tell us say you are not going to give up but because one my hits no say
I will never give up because the Lord is my strength.
Wow
never give up.
I love that but wonnwom tuo mu no some people are gifted obi on more I mean I've seen artists different ones are ebi on more during studio sessions meeting me co studio whilst they are recording and now recording maybe will be natural and normally they are manner and sometimes to get it right you see those people no also in the studio and you also know this part you see and I see near there and I've seen artists so markers are in the studio and they are recording said there is funny there na difference kaka what do you know how do you go about it one out na se din tro wonwom no nyame na yima and now for Bible no kan ba bi no say this message is powerful my say metimi develop bibi kakra there for one and say ebi obi no the amount of Rose we there be found for say also the ente
me nyom ne bi wo ho a metro ebi so wo ho a me man kofo tro ma me wotie eja wa hwe me so na me bra bi e friend pa aka Me fee me ko studio say me koye me nyum na me share no ho no ka say me ye backups emano me ye we no sister voice we there remember we because na Matthew story about Liberia story into oma me bibi into what here nsem na eja wa hwame so wadani me no me anyina shiro we be me shira pona mami me ni me fie for ya ye shira ono no trauma me what here me nyum insiri here e me bra penny Nicholas o mani champion and the trauma me yes
the reason why here boss is here
e yo no trauma me and anyum no so bebre ho me na me try
Nicole Tawitakum
that's right ono no trauma me and I mean so majority of my songs me na me try bi ho ha nyame asem me hwe nyame asem sometimes me hwe nyama fam maybe me dem ho tu nipa bi so wo kwan bi so a odi miramo na ma fair no so e de atonyum se na be ya so obi so e ko bibi saa but me hu say no say Rose je kwa nya disappointment kwa na so we free mu kwa ejina ne na so a nyame so betumi aye e be gi me efri mu yes
that's so true but yeah so ye betumi aka say eno fofo a wo de ba yi no it is really coming from the offer mu na antina e bia wo de agina so saa say nyame etimi atwitwa wa agi wa fi bibi sa mu ntino wa dance a onso de babo ntia be di akira man
actually from the beginning no na enya nyum we na me pese me na na me pe nyuma e wo me album me previous album so and I me kasa me ba be I even didn't want to do a collaboration
wow
not at all but at the end
so
of
any said what kind of which means the new one or
the new one is a collaboration
okay
but you see how God works na me ya ma say me ne sa it was me previous song be my ya me hu say me the pa like me person me san na me pushing more but this is the time I was early in the morning my question adware na me say rade nyumi me ba be me ne deni like me kwan de do baby ase bibia ekoyie afa do baby na bibia sensi what is going on how am I going to manage after me tiwa it's like I wanted to try and complain e ho na me tina say me say emom Rose mami kanya me so why bia mami o because in can say nyame na nka wo ma fa nka maybe otamfo de me ye hana emom say ana maybe nipa bi betumi a disappoint me ana nipa betumi a frustrate me mama koye ne ense me ye nyame waye bi samenhia wa there and then I heard the song in my ears when you say because no the song and the instrumentals was flowing in my ears from above. Intimidina honyum ne boy and I started singing it in the bathroom. I sang the song over and over into me PA and I me fa me phone and me recording. Into me friend me sound engineer and me say nyuma na me say me pese me my sister margin. Ma min de nyame ase. Because there are times we complain too much and when we complain too much we don't notice the good things God have done for us. My brother, e wo mo say baby ye pese ye do abrabo mu yenya ndu ye. But baby na ye wo no so enya
we are not still there. Yeah.
That's right. Maybe one ni sika nika woni adan but people see you and they are even envious because you kakra na wo no nyame adom ne nenu nyame e wo so ntino people see you and they are like girl we your money chance no be do baby ye wan sha no de beba no
I can relate to that papa
me friend na me man instrumentations me kan no me see who the onye no send the mommy when he sent it me say I didn't me the man no boy no enye no na wa send ya mommy yes so I went back to him to the studio me say I don't like it like this do it like this for me
okay
you know send the mommy and to be frank with you it taking me days ni nya me bompa me say ready mommy asema people can relate to no one will say I want people to thank God for all the things he's done. Bible say embra na David shen remu na no shen dino. Not David on ya bonio. Not David the only wrong he did say or yempanaba or san you free.
And no cry wasn't his fault.
That's what I'm saying. One ya boni dia. But David never complained. Even in the fields na no shen dine. Bible say David said erade ne be shuffle so sharing here me. So na nyama bebre ne here David. No nye duane di odi emu aduane.
He wasn't getting the best of treatment from home.
He was not getting, but he was not complaining. But at the end of the day, na dance na debia no odininti no. Nyankopon ye den o hye ne hwani munyam. And I told myself, "Semi to me da nyame ase, even for what he is not yet done, I believe say Nyankopon o be hye ne hwani munyam." Hallelujah. E wa na me frɛ me bra. I prayed about it and God told me say I should use my brother. Many years you know me say papa, my collaboration is too much. I don't want to do it again. I want to thank you from my heart. Me man. Into your band and my friend, me say, bra, because I had already spoken to him, say, me be a single, but where they are collaboration. Into me some friend, and me say, ya me dia too makuma so say, nyuma me babe me ni wonye. Or say sa, me say I, or say ne, yambo humpa ne nhwe ne yambe. Inti yabo humpa ne nyame be ni.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. But as I be call no so no. Mama bi sa question we. Challenges need the doors na me pese be share that room specifically near hwade. But ever since I buy industry na minim kra minim say only Media Excel Juma Kakra, and then it was a KB Empire, right?
Yeah.
And so Juma Kakra. How has it been with record labels? How am managing near their day, and maybe from the artist point of view? So it be a said the most no any idea. I am saying.
Oh, sometimes in the rap and it be me can't send back over say life is. I
am not difficulties we won't.
It is, but life itself is a journey.
That's right.
Along the journey of life, ubi shishi yankofu bebre. Obi oha is like a puzzle. Obi baba wa brabo mu na ade ba ko bi necessary. That's right. Nti nipa nipa no fix is ade na.
It's done. His job is done.
Obeko eno nye intokwa ana we nye we nipa nipa wa brabo mu eno na kire say nipa wo bobra.
Okay.
Because life itself is a process. Nti my first album sena mu nyina munim no. My late dad, may he so rest in peace. No, the producer for that song.
Okay.
Into me release it out. No, that was how Kama me de koma Media Excel. Nyame Adom ono so mu no ne obetumi abo me aye no oboa emanyum no so to me do pepe so a esse do. That was for that album. And I did on yerie. Into no after that, so I had no other person. Nyame Adom me yes me another album na Nyame Madom na me san share KB. And I no so yerie. So now I am on my own.
Wow.
And that is the Ram Records. Ram Ashley AJ's Ministries Records.
Hallelujah.
It's all in collaboration, celebrating my 5 years. We say me by industry no more. Yeah. 5 years.
But God has been good though.
Very, very good.
He been with me several years, but
that's right. And nothing I mean can say.
No want me achieve bizarre.
In April no me 5 years in the music industry. Yeah. And I told God on that day, I emptied my account. I emptied my account. School I did a worship program titled like dubbed The Heart of Gratitude. Now I wanted to thank God and to make him know say nia wa ya mami wo mabrabo mu no meni aso nti me yes ade ni we na me ka che rade say me ya ade we wi a onu nyankopon enhye ne ho animonyam e wo mabrabo mu e wo kwan foforo so Uncle Jerry, I can tell you say there is not a week I betwe mu a meka say Roseje minya program bia ntumi nkoi pacha what man say.
Yeah.
It is not easy. And to for be cry or bet now 1 month cry no nya gig ba konko boy.
Wow.
But I can thank God say every week.
Yes, and so pene komo
every week I have a place to go. And then you na ya ma dance die ni bi. Na nyankopon wotumi ayo ma bra.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Ya na nyame ase won pempe so a odi edru. Abusua ugusu tie Ofie Kwanso Adom 106.3 FM Ghana's #1 radio station. Na and then you know said the bia no offendi kan odwumedi so no ya to din ni Awurade aye tina say ye dia dance here and na ye nua baro say Jane so aba bestran na ono so bestran ya na che say nde eno foforo kra nyame de ache no say ono so mfa ni dance here tina che say we na say watwafufu na tonkwan because dance here ne na nie.
That's right.
Oh ni Awurade aye na mu na ne we tina che say we na dam pepepe na we no afa ne e ba pound to mamu zampa enum no say na tie na say so na ekro die nche bia e ba betie enum no na yahwe say de enum no so esi ekofa but say Okasan, you touched on your late father me emfa kwanya we see so na yemfa e ma ohedin say it's about 2 weeks now papa film right and he say sabrede say a year date no ma share na
pacho embre no so a me ma so
okay all right until the ebre no du a na wa ma so atena yenso e de yi akoyen kujenkuje de akwa kuja na watimi akra o papa echi me so rest in peace enti Rose den na finally ubeka ye be san be to aso mum de ansa na ye betie nwum no den na obepese obeka e dey actually Ghana for their fa enum a dance die ma dance ana dance ma dance die good ma dance die then now person be ka fa ho ansa na yetie enum
and I met me aka kire etiefo me person me hu say sometimes Brajery when people see you say ujina TV so e no fi say oh get away hey obadabe and away there no ho atono they don't even know about the struggles because we don't let them know the struggles into me person me
I said the flashy side now
that's what they all see they say you how mo kra na your bopons egusu into hu ni ma na ya kama but what I say
yes
but I want everybody to know say after everything no after all the flashy things there is a story behind it.
That's right.
And you monyam ni nyinemu no na che say bibi wo ma ya femu but at the end of the day nyame asene ho ani monyam enti me so madanse die ni enti se nyankopon so aye bibi ama maybe car no na wo hwehwe wo nsanya nkan ya ma nyame hu se nkwa na ode ache wo no na edi kan no wo danase na wo na dance aye den ama no na wa ma foforo so hu se we na me kom in a yankopon aye where ye may free.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, with the time just about 10 minutes after 4, let's enjoy the brand new one from Rose AJ. Papa no more casafa dance di hu de. Unya bia no atobi no ati wa ni mu ye pa. To was me starting your move a boy trekking short view.
Brajery, there is a story behind this. Hip hop.
Tell us the story as I
said. We hip hop for Jesus.
My goodness, and it has that rich sound, man.
That's right. Wow. We are going to hip hop for Jesus.
I come back catch it. Say we are sure say I don't know they are too now. Cause I say hip hop be there to say hardcore hip hop be there bow na she say the switch no yeah no my goodness and therefore yes I take ni I love it. Wow. Abusia Mosempa Enumni Fufro Kra brand new one Madame Sidie Rose AJ featuring Ohineba Clement Ohineba Su Yini Yum Papa. In fact, what a song! Just an intro there. Ebe you I said there, or be the poor be the binner. Huh? Oh my goodness. Wow. The transition. Wow. Beautiful. All right, Ansana, you better finalize BBR. Messages kakrebi wa yankan haman for bebu Collins Nyantechi in New York City. I say I really appreciate what my little sister is saying. May the good Lord continue to shower his blessings upon her life and grant her heart desires. In the mighty name of Jesus, God bless Adom FM forever and ever. Ohima Asantua say wow, what a hit. Emmanuel Abuaje Yeboa Kaspa I say wow, the song is an instant hit. Jessica Obobi I say I'm blessed. Auntie Rose, thanks for your testimony. I see it as an encouragement. May God bless you. May God be with you. I'm watching you live from Tishi. And I feel Nana Mensa Richie. Also Ofie Kwanso with the manager just as you. Ellen Echan also Bradley. Good work. God bless you. Watching you live from Tema Community 8. And I face Susie, Ade Pena, Dazi. I say Jerry, I love your show, pa. God bless you. Asamoah Ochrema. I say happy birthday and comma Eugene of GMPC. Not GNPC rather. Anyway, Messi Edu Jemfi. I say Brad Jerry. Me feel more. Yo. Marvin Opoku. I say watching you live from Manso. Dawusaso. I hope so I got it right. Wisdom Sewonu. I say Jerry, today is my boy's birthday. Chris Sewonu is 15 years old today, so play any good song for her. Any for him. Any not just we are any everybody man because currently we're near Jerry, please, do you know something? I love the way she dances. Yes, like Michael Jackson. Hey. Later on, we will come back and then continue the rest of the message. But messages, but time will continue. Your name Rose and finalize. But Ohineba Clement, Ohineba. Oh no, meaning one correct guy. Now you see, I know sometimes, and you might wow your approach to it and that of somebody's song. I know difference can grow, but. What killing on you, super? As you say, it was your own. Bibi kakra be catching for you who tell Nafi and sorry.
Name Shira na Name Enkoso Empejao. Amen. More of the supporting. Amen. There be a Mijana baby, I may say only one presenter be Mabua me pa. Obi abo menyamba for me. Say kofo be hu say Emrane.
Yeah. As I'm running there, it was my baby.
Na ejina Jerry Justice.
Asidan Kenya me.
Baby a be dru bi say na Jerry Justice onim no. He say oh yeah me bra pen. Bye. Wa yi na yema boa me. Ba Jerry nyame shira.
Amen.
I believe in one thing say uyo obi die yi announce o die
Sure.
Enyum we me no me ne obi ko studio na Roseje kra ni ho do nim say me ye nyum na ma yeah because ye interview CAF TV na me feel na me say no Rose nyom no ma me nkoye ma no na one thing is say nyom no de na ma chura nkasa na e da fie and I'm so okay yenko say engineer na start so boa na me on konkron ebe ma me wow na me nyom na nipa na say na say nyom nya de wato nyom no dodo and na me catch and say I can't remember say me ohene konkon betina wejo so okumani ni nyanko kwa ye bretu mu woni ni wonti me say now this am penny o be me ni na me yam ye nyom no but through that nyame pagya me and I believe say me say me yam nyom we ma roseje a nyame besa afaso e dey apagya me bi sure no abribia me gidi say abribia me yam aye bibia ma me nwa musician bia nyame fa so e de bless me enti no me yam ye nyom te se me ankasa me de and I believe said the nyame pese me ye no e no ma me ho kwa na me koye o studio no enti no anyum we de a hit am for di hu dance a hit yeah that's so ma ho kwan na eja nyame use you on this song Rose you better was so now the song is out there, right?
It's out there.
I'm out for bet me. Yenya ye de kwa ne ade antino bia. Ndi bia mo penu na chi akwan na mo so mo enjoy bi na eja mo fan support ye nua ba na de nyame nam no so eye no onto aso na onye ne mo. But Rose, I'm out for pese omo ehu de ekone ade sisi de social media de no na ekwa ne ade. On be den ate wonka ifa no betimi follow ne ade
Nyame Adom no our iTunes is on Google Play Store. It's the moment you are done from here.
Yeah.
Koho streets.
All right.
Na ko download.
Abusha ye ma emusu na no chese all those na chese baby
get it everywhere. So if you person follow me on any social media platform, I'm on Facebook Rose AJ.
Okay.
Me on Instagram Rose Ashley AJ.
Okay.
I'm also on Twitter at Rose AJ 30. Into no be biara supporting me because this is just the beginning. For bisu beba after this one. Na no so dear. Ano be eshi.
Wow.
Into no I want to thank all of them. Omo de adom me pai bom de atamechi efutupa sometimes na me di kan edu mpe like sometimes in life na wa bemwebu who ohwa na obi afro Rose me hu nyum what TV so anyum no enra na wo boy ana enyum we de do we de akama sem most especially in Srihe no calls a me na masu eyemia Rose nyum we de wo bo maame Rose nyum we de eyem story and no kire say ejuma na nyame de ama me se menye no people are being blessed and a testimony so and I believe say wo betie Rose je enyum we wo be download every iTunes etie no manyankopon ema wa dance die
amen
send na me so be a dance the person me fa akonya we so eda me nam for sofo nyina na o ma bobo mpa ya me I don't want to mention names because if I do na me go be dia menya problem. I want to also thank God for the life of my husband why you very very supportive say nye ono a nka menim baby a sebi nka medu ya mention no baby bia obia Prophet Rex AJ ya mention no pa and sofo Prophet Richmond Bafo Prophet Michael Jakes wherever you are ya mention mo no nya mo kese Power Dominion members na ma sorry for ya mention mo and me ma me baako Mamaga Sally o tie me baby bia obia ya mention no and me sister Kasimate me braso Ohineba Clement nyame nshira no pa because say na wato nyum yanka say do baby na me pese me de nyum ne che no because na me yem hihye me we yi ni yem nyame nshira no man na dance die so obi bia ohia Roseje for any program or whatever it is no pacho wo betumi afre Roseje was 0244 519771 pacho me sense subium 0244 519771 Mesa dami mami asi mamalistic mama the one and only authentic mama anyum to phone na mami mi nyame nshira opa ma me da wasi
amen
Mesa wish me mami God willing tomorrow is her birthday me pese me fasa akonya we so na me wishing her happy birthday in advance.
Okay. Messages no there like I said me kind of but at least I have to touch on this one from Asante. Asante is somebody he lives music.
That's right.
He eats music.
That's right.
Drink music, sleep music and dream music. Already he is music. Now, the first comment on the buyer was a beautiful production.
Wow.
And now later on, was sending message. Was say the bassist is good.
That's right.
Now we now can sorry or say maybe a quick appreciation of the producer will also be appropriate.
That's right.
That's also I sorry.
It's right there. DDT, the only poison in music. Dr. D. Thompson.
Yeah.
Yamishrano.
Okay.
My very first album, that is Yami.
Yami on the air.
Na me one of them. Watch a partition is
wow.
A higher studio, a higher bedroom.
Wow.
He was with me from the very day of my songs. In Srehe now no boy.
Wow.
And I neso my dance die.
Well done. Well done. Did it
why ni na? Will be Nyamisra no man a dance die. Send a debia a do medjuma so even if he's doing someone else's job. Obaka say ma wo ba dia. And then patcho meja bibia ntibra. Nyamisra no no ye kese. Na a year like a time a year
by this time
no so say Gigi award for the best music producers. That's right.
All right.
That's just say. See, Nyamisra no baby bia obia.
Amen. Rose you better say. That for ever say right. And Nyamin kan. All right. What an intro. Said the other nine, then ya there, mess up born who be a beam. You know, we are not the base, say, I not just say, me they are wrong, name as a mirror in the hands and the alcohol. Hey, check it out, y'all. 1, 2, 1, 2. My goodness. Me patro and then come on any rose a JD no. A futuo bebre wom. Utie ni nsem a wokan na. And then one ye dey asem adi tu honfo. Said the caller bi anase omo a send messages no. Obi e kan no. O se ono de ohunu se encouragement sonko eba be encourage ye nyina enti eno ne asem a ye de atu yonfo die mfa so aseda no ema konosoa jewelry wives ene de titini ya na na se we pia bontin e pa cho we na boama wagudie ni na ho aye fefefe te se de brand new bia na o chain bi e da kom o bracelet bi e da won sa de da won nine o earrings bi e hye and now ring bi e hye won sa I say dobe di o kra nya nka beto foforo hu sa e dada mpacho men sa no ma sanka kono so a jewelry wipes bi fa fa on keke ebe san ma o jewelry na e brand new e best pack of fair hu atim say yes shan bobo say tishen ani bling bling pa na sparkle it's Bomodia. Emma on Sanka be jewelry shops out doing in them. Why? Nema jewelry ni na sign brand new for cry. Do pa there. City Gold shop and I face so the boy jewelry shop. Yeah, Makola Wakra. Ubenya do now. Yes, I phrase 0244 606 500 and I face 0244 531 123. Do be on here biano. Also on side Ebeka. Shouts going out to you. Sexy Grey. Ed saying. Peter Munajo. I say Charlie. I dey feel you are Jerry. You are my man. I got you, man. I got you. I appreciate it. KK Max Sese Bracon. I hope say Dines. I'll say my Datu's classmate Ruth AJ. Yeah, good job, girl. I think Nana Yao Martins. I'll say great song. Kwame Apia Kubi. I'll say Jerry, please tell Ohineba Clemens. He knows who I am. Just say laptop from Accra, Newtown. Watch when you watch why. Eric Anochi on this Samuel J. Also keep it up, my sister. I feel a dear Penna Derek was a powerful song. Big ups to you, Rose. May God keep lifting you higher. And I feel Nana Kojo Otabel Lottery. I said, this is awesome. God bless you, Rosie. And then Hajia Pretty D. I said, God bless you, Bra Clement too. And then Richard A. Azuma. I said, live from Iraq. On OTA in Ocean. Iraq folk room. Monica Sechiyama. I said, it has broken my heart into pieces. Wow. Hajia Pretty D once again says, God bless you, Rosa J. I'm so touched, dear. God bless you. Stephen David. I say, yeah, the songs sound so nice. I like the songs. And Asante Achimba Kofi Edu Bafor. I say, love the song. Ohinoba Clement always killed it with his attribute style. Now for you to ask anymore. Kwabna Apia. Success. I say, Rosa J. That's my mom. So soothing and touching. Thumbs up. That's yeah, that's the Thompson beat. That's DDT. You know what I'm saying? Samuel Boateng. Also, what a voice. Rose Addy. That's a powerful song. Love Papa B. Kwame Apia. Once again, I'll say, yeah, my kind of the end of that. In fact, I'm saying time call. Make us say me kind comment now. War Facebook nkwano. Be time was once we said.